What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have not recorded in over a week, guys, because I've just been cleaning the garage, and if you guys can tell, it doesn't look the same. A little while ago, I posted up a video when I was moving a lot of my stuff into storage. A lot of the comments were saying like, oh, parents got tired of me, I'm getting kicked out, or, you know, I'm moving, or whatever it is. It's not. Already seen that I had a little snippet of me picking up my GSR short block finally, and that's what that is right there. So in this video, guys, my goal is to get this short block, made it with everything related to, you know, drivetrain, right? Transmission is over here, and get this planted in the car. Only reason is because I am cleaning the garage still. I want the engine off the floor here, and it's a perfect opportunity to get it in the car while my toolbox still has all my tools. And I say that because I'm actually clearing out my toolbox into the tote so I can take this and put it in the van. But yeah, enough with the jabbering, guys. I'm trying to keep this really short, and I guess first thing is first. Let's install the twin disc. Come on. So the thing about this wheel dolly is the wheel bearings are really good, and it doesn't want to stop rolling. I'm gonna have to chalk that somehow. I'm sure this will do it. Roll it back a little bit. Boom. Not going anywhere. Put that there for the time being, and damn, boy, check it out. So this is a sleeve block, and it looks like an old school Benson sleeve, but I was told LA, and it doesn't look like an LA, but regardless of the fact, it is sleeved. We have the Prum pistons right there, and this is mated with the Eagle rod. It's got king bearings, Morosa oil pan, all new seals, ACL pump, timing belt, water pump, and tensioner has been changed out, and the seal on this end as well too. If you guys remembered, I took my competition stage 4 6-puck and threw it in Joe's car. And for the new motor, I'm going to be running the competition clutch twin disc. Now I'm not sure if it's any different, but I'm going to swap out my brand new throwout bearing that's in the CRV transmission now for the one that came with the competition twin disc kit, which is this guy right here. Yeah.
So then I changed the engine. I had the CC, the original that came with the clip.
Yeah.
So I put that one, and then I used that.
Alright y'all, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is the next day. Yesterday I had to stop what I was doing after installing the twin disc and pretty much replace that toilet that's right there. Today I went to Synergy again, and I went to pick up the crank pulley, as you can see right here. It's a dampener, kind of like the ATI unit. This is a little more old school. My crank pulley right there, it is chipped on its face, and I don't want it to cause an issue for me when I'm making a lot of power. Now this is technically required, like NHRA rules, you know what I mean? Not that my track is that strict, but this will help, you know, when you get into the high power range. Now I'd rather be safe than sorry, because this is a sleeve motor that I'm really not trying to mess up. And I got it for $100 from Mike over at Synergy, as well as, dude, this guy, like, as I was walking away, right, he goes, hey, you know anybody looking for injectors? And I'm like, what kind? What size? He was like, they're ID 2000s. Right, ran 2 track events. They were flow tested and all, and then I asked them how much, and well, things kind of escalated quickly. So I now have ID 2000 injectors, and this is definitely going to help me, you know, achieve my 500 horsepower goal. And originally I had gotten new ID 1050X injectors, which will do 500, but it's really like riding the line of 100% duty cycle, which I'm not trying to do. So I got new injectors, I got a harmonic balancer, got the half shaft installed, transmission installed, starter installed, and I was doing the alternator just now, but the pulley itself is smaller, so I have to get another belt about 50 millimeter shorter than this guy right here. And I also noticed that I don't have my post mount, so I can't get this in the car without my post mount, and the post mount is in storage. So I'm gonna go to storage right now. Damn, that's unfortunate. I was gonna take this valve cover with me too, because my valve cover that's currently on the head has 4 bungs, and these 2 interfere with the ram horn. So this one doesn't have any in the front, has 2 in the back, probably gonna take it anyways. Probably just sand it down and repaint this a different color. Now, I shouldn't have painted this valve cover before you guys see this video, so leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think as far as color goes for the valve cover that goes with the gray engine bay. Otherwise, it'll stay blue. I also need some stuff off this head. I'm sure I have a VTEC solenoid somewhere at the house, and probably gonna pull these sensors off as well too. But valve cover is switched, and now I need an alternator belt. Just got home, and I had to go back to Synergy to get my turbo housing. This is for the GT28. This is for the Precision 5858, and there was a broken bolt as well as my broken easy out. So Knock took it out, drilled it out, tapped it, and now we can run the Precision 5858 in place of the C's 28R and keep it 4 bolts. So that's gonna work out for me. So I got the correct belt. This is about, I believe it's like 2 inches shorter than what this guy is, and let's see if it fits. Barely, but that's good because I have the alternator dead centered, and I have about 1 inch forward and 1 inch backward, so it's definitely going to work out, and I can tension that up really nicely. So here's one cool thing: this cover already has a hole drilled out for the post mount bottom bolt, and I didn't do that, so it's pretty convenient because I didn't want to take this off after putting this on, because I for some reason didn't see that I didn't have a post mount. But I guess everything just kind of falls into place, huh? I bought a block before where the post mount holes were stripped, and you know, it's unfortunate, but that's where, you know, you learn how to time cert. You buy a time cert kit online, and then, you know, you time cert it. But fortunate for me, these aren't stripped. Poor fender. I think, you know, once this car is like all up and running and everything has been golden for a little while, I want to start doing the body work on this car. I have the engine and transmission installed. All 3 motor mounts are installed. Now, I didn't get to the axle and anything underneath the car because I still got to clean the garage out. You know what I mean? So my goal that I wanted to do as far as this video goes is to plant the motor and transmission in the car, and that has been done. So once again, guys, this is a GSR block. It's got Tron pistons and Eagle rods. It's got King bearings, Moroso oil pan, all the seals, ACL pump, sleeve block, stock transmission, open diff, twin disc, and a lot more to come. Now, I didn't cover the head portion of this because the head is still missing a ton of things on it. As you guys saw, I went to the store just to grab, you know, all the stuff that was missing, catch can and all that. So this is going to be another video. There is no rocker assembly in here, but all of the valves and everything has already been done. Head has already been resurfaced. It's just the small stuff. Actually, I got the sensors and everything else in here as well too. So we'll cover that in another video, guys. I know it doesn't seem like it was a lot of progress, but remember, progress is better than no progress. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Just know that this is going to be up and running soon, because once this is all done and dealt with, the next 2 days or so, we're going to go hard and getting this car turned on and back to the dyno. I have a lot of things to do still the rest of my night. And you know what that means. If you enjoyed today's progress on the all-wheel drive CRX, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for everything else to come to get this car up and running, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.